Okay, so this is Closet of Spec by Shikha નું આખું curation. We are at Reflection Gallery. 2 days માટે they have come over here. There are 7 brands that are present and Reflection 2.0 માં પણ એક curation છે by Zen Sparrow. You can check out the collection over there. There are 4 brands over there. Overall collection ની વાત કરીએ તો નવરાત્રી collection છે. They have lots of blouses, dupattas, chaniya cholis to choose from. Festive wear નું collection છે, 2 and 3 piece suits, Indo-Western sets. Jewelry માં પણ collection છે and overall it's a beautiful curation. 2 days માટે, today and tomorrow, 7th and 8th of August, you can come and visit and check the collection out. Collection online jo hoy to swipe left. Hello, so this is brand Shikha and let's take a look at their collection. They have some beautiful pieces when it comes to Navratri. They have something in satin. Okay, satin cotton ma hai. They have something in checked as well. This is their pre-wedding collection. They have some beautiful pieces. What I'm wearing is part of this collection as only. Okay, moving on, they have this. This is in tissue. They have some beautiful color options available here. Okay, let's move on to Rakhis. They have some Rakhis over here as well. 50 and 30 rupees each hai. Okay. They have more chaniya choli options available here. You can see something in bandhej. Okay. Let's move on to... Okay. Coming to footwear, they have options in footwear like these festive wear pieces. This is all part of their new collection. Something with these sort of heels. If you're looking for some wedges, platform heels ma available. Options like these are available. And this is all part of their new collection. કોઈને heels ના જોઈતી હોય એટલી તો એમાં પણ collection છે. All right, and sizes can be customized, colors can be customized. The footwear that I am wearing is part of her collection. Okay, let's move on to flats. These flats are available. If you're looking for something in daily wear, office wear flats જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options available છે. They have these. They have all these pastel shades available. Little heavy ma joitu hoy to ema પણ options છે and they have dupattas as well. So dupattas જોઈએ તો they have something in bandhej like this. Color options are available. If you're looking for something in white with
Hi, my brand name is Shrungi the Label.
Shrungi the Label. Okay.
Yes. And I have options in festive.
Festive wear. Okay. Okay. Bandhani ma, okay. Yes. And they have chaniya cholis as well.
Yes. These are chaniyas with 17 meters flare.
Okay, 17 meters of flare hai.
Yes.
Something in patchwork. Okay, printed ma options hai. And they have dupattas and blouses as well.
Hello, this is Nidalioza Designs. I'm because festive wear hai. Right now 4500 ની range થી start થાય છે.
Okay.
Hat work માં dresses છે. થોડું કોટન માં કેઝ્યુઅલ જેવું છે.
Cotton ma casuals. Okay.
કોટન માં તમે ફેસ્ટિવ પણ પહેરી શકો, કેઝ્યુઅલ પણ પહેરી શકો, એ રીતના પણ dresses છે. With patches and
Okay. And coming to chaniya cholis.
chaniya cholis with 10 to 12 meter ghera chaniyas.
10 to 12 meter hair. Okay.
Hi, the brand is Aap. We have Kachi Patch collection.
Kachi patch collection.
Kurta.
Okay.
Indo-Western kurtas.
Indo-Western kurtas.
Jacket dress.
Jacket dress.
Something in long
Okay.
and short.
High-low ma options છે.
Again jacket cape જેવું છે.
Cape જેવું.
શિબોરી છે.
Shibori.
Shaded માં છે.
Shaded.
Cotton slug માં છે. Jacket dress છે.
Jacket dress. And coming to chaniya cholis.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we have chaniya cholis.
Chaniya cholis like these.
Shaded chaniya cholis છે. Colorful બાંધણીના chaniya cholis છે.
Okay. Bandhani.
બધાનો ઘેર approx 10 to 12 meters flared છે.
10 to 12 meters
And
of
it is
flare.
priced separately. So
Okay.
you can buy it separately too.
Okay. So chaniya choli
Heavy
options
chaniya
like
cholis પણ છે.
these.
માય બ્રાન્ડ નેમ ઇઝ ઝેન સ્પેરો. અમે રિફ્લેક્શન 2 માં છીએ 2 દિવસ માટે. વી આર 4 બ્રાન્ડ્સ હિયર. સો મારી પાસે આ ટાઈપના લોંગ બ્લાઉઝીસ કાપડા છે.
Okay. Size L.
સાઈઝ L છે. આ અમે બનાવેલા છે લોંગ બ્લાઉઝીસ. આમાં ગમે તે સાઇઝીસ બધું કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ જશે.
Okay.
વી હેવ
Something in
સ્લીવલેસ બ્લાઉઝીસ
spaghetti.
એઝ વેલ. This is the whole the range of blouses.
Okay.
And 200 plus blouses. Then we have this kind of
Chanias.
chanias. That colors છે આપણી પાસે.
So lots of color
This is the
options
color
again to
palette.
choose from. Ombre ma jovu હોય તો
Ombre માં
ombre
બી
માં.
છે. We have in shaded as well.
Okay.
We have this kind of color.
Okay, patchwork માં.
Patchwork માં. એમાં બી બહુ જ બધા કલર્સ છે. We
Okay.
have this color. જેને pinkish color જોઈએ છે.
Hmm.
We have this all the range of skirts. We have
Okay.
white range.
White
We have the
માં.
dupattas.
Dupattas માં
Different
options
kind of
છે.
patchwork dupattas. Simple
And they have
dupatta,
some vintage dupattas as well.
Kachhi dupatta.
Okay.
This is the vintage dupatta we have.
Okay.
We have mirror dupattas.
Hello, my brand name is Tiara and today we have come with our festive collection for Raksha Bandhan and Navratri. For Raksha Bandhan and Navratri, these are the jewelries. We have chokers, we have plain pattas like this for Navratri season. A whole range of necklaces, long pieces, statement pieces.
Earrings માં પણ
Earrings.
options છે like these. Lots of options when it comes to choosing earrings. They have rings as well and kadas.
Hello, this is Brand Babylon. We have festive wears, perfect for your Rakhi celebrations, free size kaftan style dresses, then shaded are ombres,
Okay.
nice color shades in them, something like this. And then we have tui dresses with dupatta. The range starts from 6,000 for these dresses. Then we have our gaul kaftans, something like this, and our cotton collection with our clutches. For 200, these are handmade rakhis and bags.
Hello, so this brand is called
Ethnic Diva.
Ethnic Diva. Okay.
મલચંદેરી છે
Malchanderi. 3-piece suits માં options છે એમની
સિલ્કમાં
પાસે.
ટીશ્યુમાં
Silk માં and tissue માં.
શ્રગ પેટર્ન
Shrug pattern. Okay. Moving on to cowl.
એમાં બી ડિફરન્ટ કલર્સ મળી જશે.
Okay. All right. And something in shibori like what she's worn. Shirts more
Shirt.
options che. Okay. All right. And coming to chanya cholis, they have blouses.
સેગેટીઝ
Something with sleeves.
is
Okay. Dupattas more options che like
vintage
these.
pure vintage dupatta.
Okay. And they have chanyas as well. Badla work sathe.
દુપટ્ટા
Hmm.
બાદલા હેન્ડ બાદલા કોટન ચણિયા
Okay. અને crush માં પણ options available
20 meter
છે.
flare crush cotton.
Hi, I am Haley. I am from the brand Craft Carrot, and today and tomorrow we are here at Reflection with our Navratri collection. We have all these statement pieces, chokers, collar necklaces, only earrings, rings, kadas.
So lots of statement earrings that they have over here that can be used for festive events and for Navratri as well. એમની પાસે ઘણા જ બધા options છે. They have some kadas as well and statement earrings માં બી ઘણા જ બધા options available છે.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Again, I'm back. So my brand name is Vestito.
Okay.
Myself is Ruti.
Hmm.
We have this type of mulchanderi.
Okay.
Full
Malchanderi.
suit.
Hmm.
And again, I have
Something what she's wearing
Yeah.
as part of her collection. Okay.
this type of.
And she also has some casual wear pieces.
This type of corsets.
Quad sets.
In all this rack, we have flat 30% off.
Hello, myself Rajal and we go by the brand name Harka by Rajal Patel. We are here today with our Rakhi hampers. So these are the hampers. It comes with candle, choice of your Rakhi, and then like sweets and cards, etc. And then there's something for kids as well. So yeah, these are the cute macrame keychains, earrings, and Rakhi.
They have kids rakhis like these. Again, એમાં ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. Okay.
There's unicorn as well. Yeah. Then we have something in Evil Eye as well. So that's by Babi Rakhi set.
Okay.
And,
મીનાકારી રાખીસ છે એમની
Yeah,
પાસે.
these are there. Then we have something with the pearl Evil Eye. Evil Eye my Babalu collection, sure.
Okay.
So all these things.
Okay,
Then
looking
there's
for some lumbas.
Yeah.
So lumbas માં options છે like these.
Yeah, then these are the other hampers, only hampers basically. It comes with the Rakhi, sweets, Shubh Labh hangings.
Okay.